This is Science Museum of Virginia. You see this? If you see here what it's written, it's a Union Station of Richmond. So once this building was a railway station, now they converted into a museum. They closed down the station and they converted it into museum. And you see, this is a globe. It's made up of stone and it is moving. It's a revolving, right? And you see this, there is this marking. This is our India, right? So let us go inside. Once this building was station, now it's a museum. So they have still retained some portion of the railway track, and these are two dummy rail bogies just to retain the history. So you have some railway track and there are some dummy bogies right here also. And we have here dummy engine. And see here, what is this? This is a chess. It's a huge chess pieces with a chess mat. It's a chess. So if you come to the museum, you can play with this. Ooh, it's heavy. See, what is this? This is a lighthouse. So normally you have lighthouses on the beaches, right? But here this is a mini lighthouse. It's for fun. It's a kids area. So there is a lighthouse here. Okay, the moment you enter, you see something which is oscillating. Oscillation means, see here, there is something which is oscillating. It's a pendulum. It is moving to the right and it is coming to the center, and it is moving to the left. Again it is coming to the center. So it's oscillation motion. You see here, it's a huge, it is suspended by a string. See? And what it is doing, let us see. See, this oscillating pendulum, right? It is trying to knock down the pegs. So whatever you see, the small this thing around it, there are around 79 pegs. If you read here, it says 79 pegs. So that it takes around 15 minutes to knock down each peg. This is pendulum from top floor. So it's oscillating. So how does it is oscillating? It doesn't have any battery, it doesn't have any electric connection. It is oscillating because of Earth's rotation. So this is from where it is hanging, that the hole you see there. So this is the top floor view of the